Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The Best Lip Set is probably one of the most versatile and transformative beauty products available, offering a dynamic duo that can effortlessly elevate your entire makeup look from subtle everyday chic to bold, glamorous statements. This carefully curated combination of lip liner and lip gloss provides the perfect foundation and finishing touch, allowing for precise definition, enhanced volume, and a radiant shine that captures attention and boosts confidence with every application. Whether you're aiming for a perfectly sculpted pout or a luscious, glossy finish, this set is designed to be your go-to for achieving salon-quality results right at home, making it an indispensable addition to any makeup collection for beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Number 5. QiBest Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Plumper Set. Discover a stunning collection of matte liquid lipsticks. Achieve a velvety smooth finish that lasts all day. Enhance your natural beauty with the included lip plumper. Get a fuller, more luscious look effortlessly. Our formula is designed for incredible staying power. Enjoy vibrant color that won't smudge or fade, even through special occasions. Experience intense color payoff with every application. These shades are highly pigmented for a bold statement. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for holidays like Valentine's Day or any occasion. Surprise the special women in your life. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for a complete lip look. From matte elegance to a plump finish, it's your go-to makeup solution. What we like? This set offers a variety of matte liquid lipsticks with a plumper for added volume. If you love a bold, velvety look and want fuller lips, this is a great choice for a dramatic effect. What people say? It stays on well. It's not sticky. It's matte. The QiBest Matte Liquid Lipstick is the perfect size to hold in small purses. It is indeed matte. It stays on for hours, gives good coverage and is strong. It is not too sticky, it is just the right balance. I love the colors and the packaging. Great color. I have chapped lips and these are good bombs. Perfect size for my purses. Great travel makeup. Number 4. EVPCT 2-in-1 Lip Liner and Lipstick Set. Discover the ultimate lip solution with our 6-piece combo set. This collection offers versatility and convenience for your everyday look. Experience the innovative 2-in-1 design that combines a lipstick and lip liner in one. Enjoy smudge-proof wear that lasts all day. Achieve a flawless pout that stays put for up to 24 hours. Our formula ensures vibrant color and comfortable wear without fading. Explore a range of beautiful matte shades, from antique rose to deep browns. These shades are perfect for any occasion and skin tone. The pen-style applicator makes it incredibly easy to define and fill your lips. Achieve a professional look with minimal effort. Designed for women who love to express themselves through makeup. This set is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. What we like? Get both lip liner and lipstick in one convenient pen, designed for 24-hour wear. If you need a reliable, smudge-proof option that lasts all day and night, this combo set is perfect for busy individuals. What people say? They are easy to apply, long-lasting and pretty decent color. They are matte color. No smell, no weird feeling, no easy transfer to your clothes, skin, etc. Non-sticky. The colors are true to the picture. Very creamy and easy to apply. Number 3. LANGMANNI 6 Matte Lipstick and Lip Liner Set. Discover the ultimate lip collection from LANGMANNI. This set features a stunning matte lipstick and a perfectly matched lip liner for a flawless finish. Experience rich, pigmented color that stays put all day. Our formula is designed to be non-stick and waterproof, ensuring your look remains impeccable. Enjoy a luxurious velvet texture that glides on smoothly. It provides a comfortable, non-drying feel for all-day wear. Achieve perfect lip definition with the included lip liner. It helps to shape and enhance your lips, preventing any feathering or smudging. Surprise the special women in your life with this beautiful makeup gift. It's the ideal present for any occasion, offering a touch of elegance and glamour. Don't worry about touch-ups. This set is waterproof and fade-proof, so your vibrant color lasts through meals and drinks. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes 6 matte lipsticks and 6 matching liners, offering a non-stick, waterproof formula. If you desire vibrant, long-lasting color without constant touch-ups and want a full range of shades, this set is ideal for creating diverse looks. What people say. The formula is smooth and creamy going on, not dry or patchy like so many mattis. It feels lightweight and comfortable on the lips, yet stays put for hours without cracking or flaking. The color payoff is rich and true, and it doesn't feather or smudge throughout the day. The pigmentation is incredibly intense, delivering vibrant color with just one swipe. The liners are equally impressive, offering a creamy texture that glides effortlessly for precise application. Stays on, lasts longer and has a great selection of colors. Number 2. LANGMANNI Matte Lip Liner Set. Introducing the LANGMANNI Matte Lip Liner Set, your new essential for perfect lips. This collection offers a stunning range of 12 assorted colors to match any look. Experience vibrant, high-pigmented color payoff with every application. These liners deliver intense color that truly stands out. Enjoy a natural feel and a soft application thanks to the smooth formula. They glide on effortlessly for comfortable wear all day long. Designed for long-lasting wear, these lip liners stay put without smudging or fading. Achieve a flawless look that endures. The ultrafine tip allows for precise application, defining your lips with ultimate accuracy. Create sharp lines and perfect your pout with ease. This specific set, Color Set -1, provides a versatile selection of shades. It's perfect for creating a multitude of lip looks, from subtle to bold. What we like. Experience a wide spectrum of 12 highly pigmented lip liner shades in a soft, smooth pencil formula. If you're a makeup enthusiast who enjoys precise lip definition and a vast color selection for endless creative possibilities, this set is a must-have. What people say. These lip liners apply so smoothly. You get a good variety of colors for any occasion: 2 reds, 3 pinks, 2 mauves, 3 brown tans, 1 espresso, and 1 black lip liner. The texture is very similar to the NYX pencil liners, however, these are softer and smoother. They glide on nicely, and it's really easy to build up the colors. Also very easy to smooth out with a brush or your finger. They are very pigmented. The quality is great, it looks like you get a solid amount of product. They glide on easily, they don't feel cheap whatsoever and are very pigmented. Love the color selection. Goes on smoothly but definitely leans more pencil than crayon in terms of texture. The pigment of especially the redder tones is satisfactory for coloring in the lips as a layer to cover with gloss or, to create a new tone, lipstick. Number 1. GoldenBrown Makeup Kit for Teen Girls and Women. Discover a complete beauty experience designed for you. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to start your makeup journey. Unbox a world of beauty essentials. From vibrant eyeshadows to luscious lip glosses, it's all here to help you create stunning looks. Looking for the perfect gift? This beautiful set makes an ideal present for any occasion, especially Valentine's Day. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup enthusiast, this kit offers versatile options. It includes brushes and pens for easy application. Experience the quality of carefully selected cosmetics. Each product is chosen to enhance your natural beauty and allow for creative expression. Presented in a stylish golden brown train case, this set is as beautiful to look at as it is to use. It's a perfect addition to any vanity. What we like. This is a complete beauty train case, packed with a starter set of cosmetics including eyeshadow, lip gloss, and more. If you're looking for an all-in-one gift solution or a convenient travel makeup collection, especially for teens and women, this comprehensive kit covers all the essentials. What people say. It comes with everything a beginner could need: eyeshadows, blushes, brushes, lipstick, and more, all in one cute case. The makeup is surprisingly well pigmented and easy to use, which makes it perfect for teens or anyone just starting out with makeup. It's packed with so many items in every color of the rainbow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.